doing, my friends, my brothers and my sisters? Today is Tuesday, October the 28th, 2020 fizzle. All right. Top of the morning to you all. I hope that you are Jeez. I hope that I know how to freaking speak. I hope that you guys are doing well, man. Hope you guys are doing well. Who's in the chat? Let me say good morning. Let me say what's up. Let me say good morning. Before we do that, can I get a quick sound check? If the sound is good, if my volume is good and the music volume ratio relative to my volume ratio is good, please do me a solid and drop a tree emoji in the chat. Guys, hello. I'm in a great mood. I hope you're in a great mood also. Good motherfucking morning. All right. Jabs in the chat. Good morning. Twan Hali 7801. Sorry, I don't know how to say your name. Is in the chat. Good morning. Emmanuel says, hey guys, first day here. Well, Emmanuel, my name is Gio and I teach you why the market moves the way that it does. We're going to be talking about trading. We're going to be taking some trades. Hopefully, God willing, they are on the right side. I don't want to lose money today. I don't really feel like losing money today. Yeah, though. Good morning, man. Good morning. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the show. Thank you for being here. It is a pleasure for me to serve you, my boy. And, yeah, I mean, hopefully you like what you see. And if you like what you see, and only if you like what you see, make sure to hit the like button. Only if I provide you value, okay? Every 100 likes, we're doing a giveaway. So, you know, that's a reason to stick around as well. But welcome, brother. Welcome. Piggy, good morning. Rest easy. I got to make my font bigger. Daytoven is back in the chat. Daytoven, bro, we miss you in the Nexus, man. You missed that Solana trade. Come home. Time to come home. Curfew, baby. Come home. Been so busy with work. I get it, man. I get it. Dude, all these characters, you know who I'm talking to. The one that said good fucking morning. Bro, you got to tell me, what do I call you? Because I don't know how to say any of that. What do I call you, man? Check Lima Charlie. Bruiser was popping. Nexus, good morning. YouTube, good morning. Could be in a better mood, but Blue Jays lost. Dude, going to double the game, like 9 extra innings, and then losing. Trust me, I'm with you on that. I'm with you on that. K Pizzle's in the chat. Daytoven, don't be Gaytoven. Man, I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying, man. What's good from Cleveland? What's up, Cleveland? What's up from Toronto? T.City. All right, K Pizzle says, this is a great place to be. You picked a great guy to watch. I'll let you know a secret. He's a great teacher. Thank you. All right, guys. Well, good morning to all. Hope you guys are all doing well. Hope you're blessed. I'm gonna start doing trade recaps, man. I'm getting to a place where I'm taking, multiple trades a day, and I want to start doing trade recaps. So there's definitely gonna be more content on the channel. If you like the content, again, make sure to hit the like button. Anyways, I'm done shilling. So I'm looking to trade. I'm looking to get into a BT Sizzle trade. Okay, we had a couple ideas from the morning. I did get short yesterday from right here. Last night I shorted there. I think I shorted here too. I longed last night. I longed this. I took profit here. I got stopped out at break even, and then I longed this, and then I took a 1% loss, and then I went to sleep. And then now I just got stopped out of the rest of my short from wherever it was. And now I'm kind of just chilling, man. I'm looking for new positions. Let's see what we can come up with. I think Solana looks very interesting here. So we'll see. I'm primarily going to be trading BTC and Sol. Okay, which is why those are the two that are on my screen. We are looking for BT Sizzle and Solana to trade here. So yeah, and obviously I'm going to be following USDT as well, because USDT is king and I am the king of USDT. What exchange do I trade on? I trade on the #1 exchange in the world, by the way. KSEX, links in the description down below. Lowest on fees across the board. And believe me when I tell you, girl, that I was the first one to put everybody on it. Just saying. All right, let's see what we're looking for here on BTC. Okay, so Bitcoin right now, basically, long story short, I don't care to do the high time frame shit. We're not here for high time frame. I'm here to make money today. Okay, we're not here for this, that, and the other. I want to make money today. We have a range going on. Okay, we have a range situation going on. This is the range. Okay, Geo, that's not my range. Well, good thing that you're not trading for me then, man. All right. This is my range. We have range high. We have range low. What do you see here? First of all, there's nothing but liquidity now here. Okay. This is a clear as day accumulation model into our demand zone. Unfortunate that once again, surprise, surprise, it happened at 2 a.m. Between 2 and 4 a.m., man. You got to just set your alarms for that, EST, and you'll be fine. Anyways, we had a nice, you know, accumulation model. You could have longed this SFP. I was not awake at 1:48 a.m., okay? But we broke up, right? What's your structure? When I say this all the time, when in doubt, structure out. What's your structure? Let's draw our structure together. We have low, we have high, we have low, we have high, we have low, we have high, and we have break. So this morning in the Nexus, we were looking for higher low and higher high, okay? Which is exactly what we got. So there was an opportunity to go long. It didn't quite go deep enough for me. And and now I imagine your expectational order flow is this high, okay? And remember, we are simply just in a range. This is our range. And if we are meant to distribute from this supply zone, which you can see very clearly, we have this position tool here. If we are meant to distribute from here, the same thing that happened down here might happen up here on a higher scale, which is just you SFP the high and then you rotate down. So if we make it up here, I will be looking for shorts. If we fall short of there, no pun intended, I will be looking for shorts. Right? Very simple. Very, very simple plan today. Not very hard. Price action is moving well. Don't really have any complaints. Not really too choppy at the moment. But yeah, if we get a back test here in this box, I will be looking for longs. Okay, so this is kind of gone. That idea is gone. I don't care about this anymore either. Don't care about that. If we come back into here, I will look for longs. If, of course, we get a market structure flip. And what it would look like is something like this. I don't care about the structure anymore. That's more just so you guys have a visualization. Okay. If we do something like this, pop, 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 boom. Then I will long that. I will go stop loss here or here, depending on what happens, how we get there, and I will shoot for that. And then hopefully we can all hit a 7 risk to reward trade. And we're all happy, healthy, wealthy. But I want to remind everybody that all content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Joe's an incompetent 5 for 2 3/4 want to be seeing a non-financial advisor. Crypto is a scam, making money on is impossible. Gold bringers around there this flat. Viewer discretion is advised. So don't listen to anything I do because I'm just a kid with a multicolored sweater. Guys, should I get on the treadmill today? I feel like today's a treadmill kind of day. I should probably get on the treadmill. That's the plan. Does anybody have any objections with my plan? Yay or nay? Let me know. Every 100 likes, I look like a Christmas elf. Every 100 likes, I'm gonna do a giveaway. All right, let's get on the treadmill, baby. Looking at the same. Oh, okay. WP's in the chat. Yo, why doesn't WP come on the stream? Why don't we do our first collab stream? I would listen to you if you were 5'3". Well, I'll tell you this. Anybody, if you are even 1 millimeter taller than 5'2 3/4, you're too fucking tall. You are too tall. Too tall. I feel so bad for everybody that's not 5'2 3/4. Mexi locked your account. Why? Let me message me and I'll try to help you with that. By the way, whoever said Mexi is king, I'll tell you why I don't like, man, Mexi. Dude, listen, everybody that signed up under me has like the best fees. 0.01, whatever. They have like 500 coins right now that have 0 fees. Like Mexi's popping off right now. My fees are 0.04% right now. 0.04%. Can you believe that? And I'm the KOL. I don't even know what KOL stands for. I'm the KOL and I have 0.04 and everybody else has 0.01 and infinite free coins. I don't have any free coins. I have 0 free coins. They have everything. I have 0. They have it all. They have it all. Geo has 0. Can you believe that? Crazy. Guys, go subscribe to the Wyckoff Network, okay? This bird here that's talking, this bird, go subscribe to this bird. Because many people over the years think that I'm the GOAT. And I've said this many times, man. If you think I'm the GOAT, you should meet my mentor. And you're gonna meet my mentor. That's him. Go subscribe to him. Okay, we're gonna go on the treadmill because we are all fat asses. So let's all go on the treadmill. Here's the game plan. I'm gonna tell you guys the game plan, okay? I'm gonna tell all of you the game plan. Here's the game plan. First of all, we're gonna get our fat asses on the treadmill. That's game plan number 1. Game plan number 2 is Bitcoin is gonna do exactly what I want it to do, which is come down, flip that structure, and go long. And it be nice and easy and controlled and sexy and sensual, and it's all good. That's the game plan. If anybody has any objections to my game plan, then we ain't about it. We ain't about that. You know, we ain't about that. SFP on TAO. Man, I'll tell you this. Listen, I don't trade TAO. Let's open up TAO. I don't trade TAO, okay? But what I will tell you is that I, right now, would be a little bit cautious with the shorts. And I'll tell you why. USDT Dominance, right now, currently, as we speak in real time, is very clearly in a downtrend. Shouts out to the Nexus knew, okay? What happened over the last 24 hours since we last spoke, my beautiful friends? Well, we came up, we hit supply. Okay, you're in a downtrend. So your expectation, your EO, right? Yesterday I created a new abbreviation. Your EO, your expectational order flow, is lower high, lower low. What did you hit? You hit your supply zone at the top, okay? And you flipped structure. So you breaking structure is telling me that this supply zone is likely going to hold, okay? What happened this morning? You came up to retest that new supply and you just reconfirmed it, okay? So you have your reconfirmation. So this was your confirmation. This is your reconfirmation. If you come back up and you flip again, then you get your reconfirmation. Okay. So if that happens, I imagine that our EO, our expectational order flow, is going to be to come down and take this low. So we can put a nice arrow downstairs, down to 4.7%. Okay. Does it make sense to go lower on USDT, which would evidently pump the market? I would say yes, it does. Why? Because we still have demand down here in the form of an 18-hour block down on this low, okay? So if that happens, not only are you likely going to come to 4.69, but you're likely going to come to 4.65%. In which case, at that moment, we may accumulate. So today might be a green day, okay? That's what I'm thinking. Now, this whole thing could go out the door because Gio is an incompetent 5 for 2 3/4 want to be seen non-financial advisor and doesn't know what he's talking about. Don't listen to me. Don't follow me. I don't know how to trade. But I'm just saying, like, to me, it makes sense to get something like this, where we come down here and then we form a range like here, where maybe we're here for like a week or so. And then if this is meant to be an accumulation, you know, maybe your tap 1 is, or your tap 2 happens, like this is your tap 1. Maybe your tap 2 happens here. Maybe your tap 3 happens here. Or maybe 2 goes here and then 3 goes here, or whatever. However, whatever, whichever, right? But it makes sense to me as of now to form a range between this high, which I have marked as my mob, my make or break zone, and here. It makes sense to me that this is going to be a high time frame range. If it's not going to just fall through, right? It makes sense to me, okay? This zone here is my make or break zone, as you can see. That's my make or break zone, okay? Because just upstairs of my make or break zone, you have easy ass liquidity. So if you can see, based on this high here, okay, in the event that we break the make or break zone, for me, I don't see why price or USDT will not rip all of these highs and go straight into this supply zone. That would be the equivalent of Bitcoin losing my make or break zone down here, which is 112K. So if 112K gets lost for me, it makes absolutely no sense for it to stop anywhere prior to, in my opinion, 106K. So if we lose 112, in my opinion, we're going to 106, and it's probably going to happen very fast. If we go to 106K, then I think that we're going to get a lower high, lower low, and evidently fill the rest of Big Wick Betty. Now, am I saying that we're going to go there? No. I'm saying if we do this, then we do this, right? If then, I'm not predicting. But what I will say is that in previous time, I used to hyper obsess over liquidity like this and say we have to go for it. But this cycle, Bitcoin is a stubborn fucking little bitch that never goes for lows literally ever. So, does it have to go for those lows? No, it does not. Okay? No, it does not. For me, we're at the high of the range, okay? You're literally at the exact high of the macro range. So, you should be, if you're looking at the market through like this range perspective, you should be looking for shorts. Like if you're a swing trader, you're not swing longing from here, or you shouldn't be. It could work out, but it's not objectively a good trade to be swing longing from here. However, I'm not in perma bear mode until 112 gets lost, because I think that if 112 gets lost, we're going 106, lower high, and then 102. Any questions? Gayson Gasper. I don't know what that even means, but sure, whatever you said. Whatever you say. I don't know if you're calling me gay or you're calling him gay. I don't know, lad. All right, joining the Nexus today, Batman Rage. We are absolutely 100% ready to serve you. Come join us. I will teach you all that you need to know. It is my honor. It is my absolute honor. You can't find the Wyckoff Network channel. He's in the chat. You know what? I actually need to follow him myself. So let's do that on screen. I didn't even know he had a YouTube channel. So I said this many times. I'll drop the channel here. I will never not give praise to who deserves praise, okay? I said this, listen. This is like my infamous message to all. You guys think I'm the GOAT? Maybe you don't. Maybe you think I'm an idiot. Fine. But if you do think I'm the GOAT, you should meet my mentor. That's my mentor. Go follow him. Go subscribe to him. And we're going to be doing collabs. Like, if you don't know him, you're going to know him soon. Yeah, you're going to know him soon. All right. What are you guys saying? WP is GOAT. 100%. 100,000,000%. 100,000,000,000,000%. In my opinion, he's the best trader that any of us have ever been privileged enough to be exposed to. You know, I do my best. I like to think that this is gonna sound conceited. I've said it many times though, and I truly believe it in my heart. But I truly believe that I'm in the top 5% of traders globally. And he might be in the top like 3% globally. Why do I think BTC is lagging in regards to NASDAQ and S&P? I mean, like, the thing is, bro, is like, you gotta remember this. This is what, like, Bitcoin has... Okay, right now, as we speak, it's up exactly $100,000 in 3 years. You know what I mean? Like, it's already up 8x. It's up 8 times. You know? That's something that people need to remember, I think. Well, why do I think it's lagging in this very moment? I don't know. Don't know. Don't care. But just remember that it's up 8x. Like, you know, don't be ignorant and say that, oh, it, you know, we like, you know, it's up 8x. Like, people think that the bull run hasn't even, they're like, oh, the bull run is about to start. I'm like, you're fucking retarded. You're actually retarded. If you think the bull run has not started yet, you're literally retarded. All right. So my gold idea didn't work out. Actually, it's not that it didn't work out. It's that it wicked out my zone a little bit. That's fine. Let's see if we can get into a gold trade. If I can get into a gold trade, that would be pretty cool. BTC is definitely lagging because S&P had a greater gains than Bitcoin this year. I feel like we were around the same price last year. Yeah, but it already had a huge explosive move with virtually no retracement. Actually, we had one retracement. Like, I personally think that it's a very unsustainable move to the upside. I think that Bitcoin is like, I think that everybody that like, everybody's lucky that Bitcoin is this high. Like, you guys are lucky. That's what I think. Anyways, whatever. I don't want to talk about that. I don't care about that. Pitchforks are pretty accurate. I've never used pitchforks. I have no idea how to use pitchforks. And to be completely honest with you, I don't even know what pitchforks are. So no, I'm not discrediting that they're accurate, but I've never used them and I don't know how to use them. Bull market is just about done. One last pump for altcoins to move. I hope we get that move, man. I really do. I really hope we get the move that everybody wants. You know, I really hope we do. I really, really hope we do. Really hope that we do. I think it'll be a lot of fun. Bitcoin had its run, had its bull run, but alts did not. I agree with that. What's up, icons? Welcome to the channel. Shouts out to K Pizzle. Dr. Mr. Marco. I don't know if it was Marco or Macro. Yeah, man, the walking setup. I'm doing well. Hope you're doing well, bro. The walking setup, man, is so good for me. Like, I have ADHD, which I still get work done. You know, I don't use it as an excuse. But, yeah, it helps me a lot because I don't realize that I'm working when I'm walking, and I don't realize that I'm walking when I'm working. And I get to, you know, stay in shape and shit. Like me, I run the Nexus, I run a network, I'm trading all the time. I have other, you know, endeavors that I'm doing. And a lot of the time I can get caught sitting in front of these screens for like, you know, 15 hours straight. So being at least active kind of helps my bones, you know? Geo, pull back to 102.55 EMA, then send it. I do think that we could go to Max Ross. I just posted it a little bit. Like, just go up like 10 messages and you'll see it. I posted it 3 times. I do think that we can go to 102K, but I'm not caught that we're going yet. Basically, this is my thesis summarized, okay? If we start to break and lose 112K, I don't see why we won't go to 102. But until we break 112, there's really no use in talking about 102 yet, because remember, the market is like savage, okay? The market's got some shark teeth going on, and I understand the like leaving liquidity behind, but there's also an element of like, okay, let's keep everybody sidelined. And though it's not ideal price action, we don't always get ideal price action. By the way, whoever said that they were rocky with my colors and that it's starting to grow on you, sorry, I just remembered that I saw that comment. It's night and day, guys. I will never go back to the black. And I'm a firm believer in dark mode everything, okay? I'm a firm believer in dark mode everything. I'm telling you, this changed my trading. This made me more disciplined. This made me see things better. This is making me have better decision making. Don't ask me why. I have no answer for you. It's a psychological thing. It's very silly. It's very goofy. But I'm telling you exactly how it is for me. This, I feel like a new trader. I feel like I'm evolved. I feel like I was a Charmander before, and now I'm a Charizard. Like, I just feel so much better with the white. It makes no sense. Anyway, you need to think like, you know, people are left on the sidelines from time to time, obviously, and you can't disrespect like trends, okay? And when I say trends, I don't just mean like trend lines and shit. I mean, what is the like narrative of the market? What's been happening? This cycle, Bitcoin is the king of leaving liquidity behind. This is the absolute king of it. That didn't happen last cycle. This cycle, it's not taking any lows, and it's still running, and it's still sustaining price action above those lows for the most part. Even the capitulation wick didn't even really go low enough, in my opinion, like in terms of what I would have wanted, right? But it's not about what I want. It's not about what you want. So while I do think that going to 102K is a very realistic option, and I do think that there are swing shorts that could be had from here. We could be swing short territory now. I'm not discrediting that by any means. While I do think that that's true, I think that there's no purpose of getting too bearish until 112. And the reason why is just because of that liquidity. But we have zones below us that could hold us up prior to that liquidity, right? So if we're going to look at USDT as the inverse, because that's exactly what USDT is, the inverse to the market, right? It's basically this make or break zone for me. If we start to close above this, you can see that this is a very easy move. Like, this is nothing but liquidity right here. There are stop losses, stop losses, stop losses, stop losses. So because there's nothing but liquidity here, this is when you get these big moves, right? You could very easily get a big move like that to fill the rest of this. And I imagine that if USDT gets up here, then Bitcoin would be 106K. I imagine you'd get a higher low and then a higher high on USDT Dominance. And then USDT Dominance would probably make its way up to this high here. So we have EO1, expectational order flow number 1, expectational order flow number 2. And then if you can start closing candles above here, like, sorry to tell you guys, but there's nothing to stop USDT from going to 5.4. So again, am I saying that USDT is going up here? Absolutely not. Okay. I am reacting to what happens. If we go here and we break this, then I'm looking for this, right? So yeah, that's where I stand right now. I'm not bearish. I'm not bullish right now either. I'm pretty neutral because we're at the high of the range. So you can't be like high time frame bullish because you're at the high of the range. But I'm not bearish because we haven't had signs of like that high holding yet. So I'm very in the middle. I'm very neutral right now. Right? And that's basically the idea. I'm still long. Okay. On Bitcoin, we longed like the Nexus was long from here. The Nexus was long from here. The Nexus was long from here, here. Like, I'm still long, and I'm long and strong, and I've taken my profits and I'm holding it, and we'll see what happens. And I had a nice Solana long as well. Okay. We had a beautiful Solana long last week, right? I'm still in my longs and I'm still looking for new trades, but yeah, that's basically like, you know, that's what I think, you know, to answer your question. I know I just answered it so long. It took me forever to answer that. But I don't think we need to go to 102. I absolutely think we can go to 102. But I'm not quite there yet. I'm not there yet. Okay. And because we're at this make or break zone, like we're at make or break zones. It's funny because we had this pump. Yet, in my opinion, 112 is a make or break zone for Bitcoin. Like for the bulls, I mean. Like 112 is make or break for the bulls. Which is so weird because we just pumped. You would think like, oh, golden pocket. No. That's Mickey Mouse. Golden pocket is Mickey Mouse. This is like, we are at make or break territory. Like serious threat territory. Even though we just had this big pump. In my opinion. Okay. All right, Chad just says he signed up for the Nexus. My friend, welcome to the Nexus. My name is Gio, and every day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. I promise you, you will gain value in there. I promise you I'm doing it different than everybody else. I promise you that. So you will learn, man. You will learn. I promise you that. I will say that with no stutter. You will absolutely learn. Guys, we have 142 people in here, only 51 likes. So either 90 of you don't like my face or don't like my treadmill or don't like that I am literally bigger than Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Like, come on. I literally make The Rock. Hold on. Let's blow me up for a second. I make The Rock. What is up with my hair? I'm growing out my hair into a mullet and it like, I don't know. Anyways, I make The Rock. I make The Rock look like the Pebble, okay? The Rock is The Rock. You know, when you see him, oh, are you The Rock? When The Rock is next to me, you're the Pebble. Geo The Rock. Yeah, I'm natural, man. I'm natural. Geo The Rock. The Rock is a pebble next to me. Wait, why did we start talking about The Rock again? I don't even remember why I got there. How I got there. Man. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Raven's in the chat. What's up, my boy? Said every roid user ever. Well, listen, I don't know what to tell you in order to convince you, because if I tell you that I'm natty and you don't believe it, like what else? How else do you want me to prove it to you? Bro, listen, I'm 5'2" 3/4", okay? I get fucking seizures from weed, okay? When I was young, I used to have nosebleeds very badly, and I got my nose like cauterized, and I fucking like passed out from that, okay? When I did my flu shots when I was a kid, I used to faint from that shit. My body does not do well with foreign substances. I did 1 unit of some like face thing, okay? Like or not face thing. Like I had like a. It's not like an operation. I don't remember what it was called. They like took my red blood cells or my white blood cells or some shit, okay? And they put it in my hair, like on my head, so it like grows my hair follicles. I did that like 7 years ago, 5 years ago or whatever. I fucking passed out from that, okay? I'm a small ass dude. My point is, I'm not scared. I'm not scared of like needles and shit by any means. I'm not scared. My body just doesn't fucking like, it rejects shit. I get seizures from weed. Yeah, PRP, sure. I get seizures from weed, for example. So, anyways, my point is, no, man, I'm not on roids. I'm not. And I don't know. I would be scared to do it, to be honest with you. He's obviously natural. You can tell pretty easy if someone is on, especially if their character physiology, they're unbalanced in every spectrum. Yeah. Anyway, if that whole spiel didn't convince you, then you're just gonna have to just think I'm lying then, because man, I get asked it often, but no. If I didn't have all these complications, I probably would try it. But no, I'm not. I'm your favorite humbly bombastic British man. Well, I am the most British man on earth, that's for sure. If I showed up, K-Pax is taller than me. If I showed up in the UK, they wouldn't even know that I'm not from them. They would think that I'm a Welsh. It's hard to believe I'm natural because of my trading is so... Wait, hold on. It's hard to believe you're natural because your way of trading is so unnatural, so good, so brilliant. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, I definitely trade differently than the majority of people. Okay. I definitely trade differently. I do believe that being good in the gym, like, I believe I've said this since the beginning of my channel. I believe discipline in the gym equals discipline in the charts. I truly believe that, you know, being in shape, eating right, eating clean, having a good diet is going to make you a better trader. I think it's going to make you a better everything, a better husband, a better wife. I think it's going to make you a better businessman. I think it's going to make you a better communicator. I just think, like, there are so many more benefits to gym. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, hold on. There are so many better benefits to gymming outside of just the gym itself. So I do it because it's the discipline element. And I think that a lot of good traders go to the gym and vice versa. Okay, that's number one. Number two, shouts out to the Otter gang. Okay, shouts out to Alex So Crypto. Thank you guys for stopping by. My name is Gio. Hold on, let me hit you with a disclaimer. Oh shit, whoops, my bad. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio's an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singing non-financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real and the earth is flat. Viewer discretion is advised. Okay, so to anyone that might be new here, I teach you why the market moves the way that it does so that you can have confidence in your trades. But don't listen to me because I'm a 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singing non-financial advisor. Alex O Crypto, you and I have beef, bro. You are so not allowed to super chat me if I'm not able to super chat you back. Like this, I'm rejecting your $50. Thank you, and I appreciate you, and I love you, and you're my brother. But like, fuck that $50. This is beef. I'm gonna fly my ass to you, and I'm knocking on your door. And right before you came here, we were talking about how I'm bigger than Dwayne The Rock Johnson, and The Rock next to me is a pebble. So Dwayne the Pebble Johnson. I'm coming and I'm knocking on your door, and I'm gonna wear a mask because it's Halloween, and you're gonna think I'm a kid because I'm 5'2" and 3/4, and I'm gonna say trick or treat, and you're gonna be caught off guard. You're gonna give me candy, and that's it. I'm coming. I'm knocking on the door. Thank you, Alex. God bless you, bro. I'm actually giving you back this money. So guys, this is not a super chat. I'm not accepting this. No chance. I tried to super chat him yesterday. Otter gang people, I tried to super chat him, and his super chats aren't working. I'm like, Alex, give me your email. I need to e-transfer you. In Canada, we have e-transfer. We don't do Venmo or whatever. Oh my gosh, Alex, man, stop, dude. How do I listen? Oh my, I don't know, huh? How do I stop him from doing this, dude? Alex, bro. Yo, I was actually gonna be a Lord Farquaad costume. It was either gonna be that or it was gonna be Willy Wonka. Alex, please stop doing this, dude. Man, God bless you, but stop. Stop. God bless you, but stop. Oh man, now I owe you 150. I owe you 150 now. It's coming. I'm gonna message your wife and say, give me the e-transfer. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna have to ban you from the chat, bro. No more donos. Thank you, but no more donos. Yo, Otter Gang, are we long right now? Are we long and strong? Are we long and strong right now? We just went over USDT Dominance. No, don't send me the red one. I don't want the red one. Don't send the red one. Look, send it to this guy, Abina, whatever. Send it to him. I don't want it. Don't send it to me. No more red. No red. All right, shout out to Jet, who's plugging himself in. Sub to Jet Trades, giving away 1 month Nexus at 100 subs. So let me just let everybody know. I'm not gonna sit here and trying to. No, I'm drinking Perrier, broski. You guys are long. I'm trying to. What was I about to say? Fuck. Oh yeah, okay. Let me just, so for the people that may not know, okay, you know, I do the whole thing like Alex O Crypto. Mine is called the Nexus. Okay, we have a course. We have live streams every morning. We have my levels. We have my real-time updates. The whole thing. Okay, I truly believe that I do it. I mean, I'm in there 24/7. Real-time updates. When I'm entering, how I'm entering, how to enter. You get access to the course. You get access to the streams. Let's pull up the course here real quick. I love your smile. It's all included in your membership. Link in the description down below. And Jet, who is a Nexus trader, by the way, is plugging himself shamelessly for 1 month free access to the Nexus. So go subscribe to Jet. Okay, go subscribe to Jet. I don't even know if I'm subscribed to Jet. Let's go subscribe to Jet. And yes, I am subscribed to Jet. In 19 subscribers on Jet, we're going to be doing a giveaway. And every 100 likes here, I'm doing a giveaway. So go sub there. And let's see how she goes, baby. Joining soon. Been loving the stream. Piggy Llama, I love you. I'm in love with you. All right, what are you guys saying? What are y'all saying right now? What's Bitcoin doing? Let me see. Let me see. So Solana's moving. We're in a good Solana position. I'll tell you that. Yeah, somebody said long gold. Yeah, I want a long gold. I do want a long gold. Let's see if we can get into a gold long here. How do we get into this long is the question. I do want to long gold. Okay, we're in supply. This is supply. We're gonna get into gold. I feel it in my bones that gold is gonna be the trade today. Let's see if we can find it though. How do we get in this bitch? Okay, I think this is actually your low on gold. I don't think we're gonna come back to this. I don't even think we're gonna touch this wick again. I feel like that's gonna be the low, but let's see. How do we get involved in this low? See, this is very easy liquidity to recover. Very, very easy. That's easy liquidity to recover. So we need to get in. All right, if we come down to here, we'll look to long. I'll look to long. It'll look something like this. By the way, guys, I do not put limit orders and stuff. Like, this is not a position, okay? Don't copy it. I'm not going in this, but it would look something like this. That actually looks like a pretty good trade. Maybe it doesn't go all the way up there though. Maybe I will target these highs. I will target these highs right here. That will be my first immediate target, and then however high it goes. So that's a 4 risk reward trade. Not bad. Let's put some alerts. Let's see if we can get into a gold long. Too soon though, but we'll see. We shall see. I'll give this a little bit of breathing room. Move that over. It can also come here. So one of the two. I'm looking for one of the two. We'll see if we can get into a gold trade. Actually, it could also here. One of three. One of three. We'll see. So we have an alert there. We have an alert here. We have an alert here. And we'll rock. We'll see how she goes. We'll see how she goes. God bless you, Alex. I need your e-transfer, please. Thank you. Just FOMO now into gold. Man, the thing is, like, I can't really. Okay, so we just hit that. I can't really like just long or swing long or whatever on Top Step. You know, I need to manage my risk accordingly. I'm actually in drawdown on my evaluation. I need to get that shit way up. I need to get that way up. Let's see. What am I on? I want to be on I want to be micro gold. The main gold is like too much. Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. We'll see if we can get into a gold trade. Bitcoin is doing well. This idea is kind of gone now. If we come back down that far, I don't think it's ultimately bullish if we do that, but we'll see. Put a line here. We'll put an alert up here. See how she goes. See what gold is doing. I do want a long gold. Sol is, I will look to get short on Sol if we lose this low. Where's my gold? Where's my gold? Gold, 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 gold. Right here. Okay. Let's see what we see here. Let's see what we see here. If I see this zone holding, I might take a swing at it. We'll see. We shall see. Guys, every 100 likes, we're doing a giveaway, baby. We're doing a giveaway every 100 likes. We're giving away Nexus shites. You know what I mean? Well, let's get it. I'm not trading right now because I feel like I need to backtest more. I feel like you're missing out. All in cash right now. Want to get back into spot. Oh, man. I mean, like, I'll tell you this. For me personally, I can't tell you what to do. I would not be looking to spot trade anything right now. We are well into the bull market to the point where, like, the risk of downs, like, okay, assuming the 4-year cycle is still intact. Assuming the 4-year cycle is intact, then, yeah, what the fuck? I could just send him crypto. Am I actually retarded? Assuming the 4-year cycle is intact, like, then we have 2 months left. You know what I mean? If that. You have like a month and a half or a month left. So personally, like, because I'm only answering this because you said you're confused. Like, I'm not an advisor, but I personally would not, I would not spot buy right now. That's me though. I'm very, like, I'm a lot more risk on off than on. You know, I am 90% cash and I am completely okay with being 90% cash. No more donos, Alex. No more donos. Thank you, but no more donos. Can you play the giveaway? Yeah, you can. You can. You definitely can. All right, how are we doing here? Dude, I'm gonna find it. We're gonna come into Alex's Discord here and we're gonna find an address. How do I pay? Otter Gang, help me out. Guide me to one of his wallets. Where's his wallet? Dude, yesterday's Jays game was so sad. Where's like tip or something? Tip. Wallet. Alex's wallet. Oh my days. All right. How we doing? How's gold doing? Okay, Bitcoin's pumping. That's cool. ETH is pumping. That's cool. Sol is pumping. That's cool. Everything is pumping. Why don't I trade XA whatever? Because I already trade crypto and I don't care to like trade gold with USDT because I already trade crypto. And I want to get my Top Step account funded. I want to like start doing futures. You know what I mean? I want to start doing futures. Yeah, me too, man. I don't think it's the time to be spot trading anything. If you're gonna see, here's the thing. If you're gonna spot trade anything, like you kind of have to go spot on alts. And like the truth is like, man, like alts are not very strong right now, obviously. Right? Obviously. So is Toronto Jays a typo? Yeah, it is. What platform? I'm using Top Step. It's a prop firm. But I'm not funded and I'm in drawdown. Just for the record, like, you know, trading crypto and then futures and gold and then like running your whole network. Like, man, I run an entire network. It's a lot. It's very time like it consumes my time. It's not easy to follow everything for me anyway. But I do want a long gold right now. With the sound of her legs. What's up, Jabby Patty? What's up, Jabby Patty? Guys, 270 people in here. Let's see if we can get some more likes, man. We got 121 likes. My channel got absolutely nuked because I took a year basically off. Yeah. Gio, am I ever going to quit DJing since I'm so busy? So this year, this season, I didn't DJ as much as I did. This is my slowest year in terms of the weddings and shit that I've been doing. And the reason why is because I've been working on the Nexus, right? Am I ever going to quit DJing? I mean, you never say never, but I don't think I would quit DJing. No. And the reason why is because like that is my like my escape, you know? I need to wind down. I need to have fun. I need to get away from all this shit. You know, I've talked about how I'm addicted to trading and it's not a good thing. So, no, I don't think I would stop DJing, but I slowed it down this year because I needed to focus on the Nexus. But now the Nexus like runs itself, you know, they don't even need me here anymore, right? So, yeah. All good, bro. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. That's life. That's how you come back. Yeah, man. 100%. 100%. How long did it take me to develop my trading style? When did I realize that Market Cipher wasn't the play for me? Like, I use Market Cipher for entries sometimes, but honestly, every single time I trade with Market Cipher, I lose. I'm not joking. Like, every single time. And, you know, for me, it was really like, how long did it take me to develop this style? Listen, I do this all day, every day. Since the dawn of my channel, I do it every single day, right? So, you know, how long did it take me to get here? I don't know, but I put in a lot of time, right? It's like the 10,000 hours thing, right? When people say you need 10,000 hours to like, you know, perfect something or get good or master anything. I just did that a lot faster than most people. And because I was teaching people how to trade, it like things even that I didn't think of started like coming out, you know, I started like things that I didn't even think of started coming out. So yeah, I mean, it's been a long journey. Like if you go watch me a year ago versus watching me now, I'm night and day difference now. Like now I can confidently tell you, and I don't mean to be arrogant, but I can confidently tell you with no stutter that I truly believe in my heart that I'm in the top 5% of traders globally. I truly believe that. I'm on a crazy streak right now. I've developed a new entry model that I'm 25 for 25 on currently. I can't wait to lose one because then I can go and study it. But man, like it's been a development over the years, and it's the 10,000 hour thing, right? Like I just did it very fast because this is all I do all day, every day, right? So yeah, like I'm not trying to sound arrogant, but I truly believe that in my heart. And if you disagree, then that's fine. But yeah, to answer your question, it took long and it took a lot of trial and error, but I don't lose. Okay, I learn. I never lose. If I lose a trade, I go and I study it. So I learned a lot this cycle, and I learned a lot, you know, trying to short divergences with Market Cipher, for example. I learned a lot, right? And then it just, as things progressed and different situations came, because I don't lose and I learn, I got better, right? That's it. That's the best answer that I have. Yeah. Addicted to trading. Okay, at least you're not addicted to coke. Listen, everything. I respectfully disagree. I think all addictions can be very detrimental to your life, and trading can ruin your life. Actually, on the very first sentence I say in the Nexus course is trading will ruin your life if you don't take it seriously. You know, they both can ruin your life. Being arrogant is good. That's self-confidence. Some think of arrogance for us is just confidence, just saying, well, I appreciate that. Yeah, it's not meant to be, you know, arrogant and whatever and whatnot. All right. This is my opinion. Okay. If you are long on Bitcoin, it's not a bad time to take profit. We are very clearly approaching the premium section of the range. Okay. We are in the actually super premium section of the range. So not a bad place to take profit. If you are long, a wife can also ruin your life. I don't disagree with that. Not, I don't disagree with that. I do not disagree with that. I'm not married though, but yeah. You lost 5K before you took it seriously? Bro, I lost 50K before I took it seriously. 50K. And yeah, 50K. And a lot of hours, man. A lot of hours. Trading can easily wipe you off the map in so many ways. One wrong margin input and you're cooked. If you don't manage your funds. Man, like that capitulation wick wrecked so many people. I was talking about that capitulation. Just to be very clear, I want to show you guys. Let me show you. I was talking about this capitulation, and from what I know, okay, from what I know, I was one of very few. I don't even know anyone else that was talking about this capitulation, to be honest with you. Maybe people were and I just didn't see. But like, look at this, right? Here, look at this. Look, 3 weeks ago, this was before the dump. October or one more crypto flush. I was very careful to use the word flush. Flush. Okay, we've been talking about this. We've been talking about this on the channel. Right? This was before. Look at what I have drawn here. This was well prior to this move. And I'm talking about liquidity. Of like 5% start sweeping. Right? So just saying. Just saying. Yeah, I do think it's a good time to take profit on the long though. If you are long, I wouldn't get too aggressively bullish here. You're at literally the extreme high of the range. But you do you. But you do you. Bullish into FOMC tomorrow. Short around 117.5. I actually hope we don't go to... I'm long, by the way. But I hope we don't go to 117.5. Because if I'm not mistaken, that is your golden pocket. And I don't like golden pockets. I don't trade golden pockets. I think golden pockets are Mickey Mouse. But man, it could go. It could go. You never know. Right? Never know. Do I think we will sweep 116 or make a Model 2 distribution? I don't know, bro. And that's the thing. Like, there's no way to know until we get there. So, you know, if the next question is, will I look for shorts above this high? 1 trillion% I'm looking for shorts above this high. And these could be swing shorts down to sub 100K. It could be. Is it? I have no idea, but it could be, right? Am I a Wyckoff trader? I am a Wyckoff trader. I do trade Wyckoff. I do trade smart money. Your wife said you like the golden pockets. Yeah. You calculated it. It's 65K. One love, Mark Dodge. Thanks for popping by, broski. It's not that I hate fibs, it's that I don't think that they actually work. And like you might say, Gio, they work. And I'm not gonna like, oh look, it bounced off of here. But like most of the times when it bounces off a golden pocket, you're not bouncing because of the golden pocket. Well, I'm a smart money trader, so most of the times you are bouncing off of like an order block or a liquidity level or something. Like it's not because it's a Mickey Mouse golden pocket. Most of the time. Right? Most of the time. But let's consider BTC destroying previous supports. We thought it won't and have a pullback, but didn't hope it rips. Wait, hold on. But let's consider BTC. Let's consider BTC destroying previous support. We thought it won't and have a pullback, but it didn't. Yeah, I don't really understand the comment. Sorry, bro. What is my Guru mobile? Sounds like a scam to me. Have I made any new songs? No, I haven't made any new songs. We should hit a song though. What should we sing? Let's sing something. The way you make me feel. You got me off of my feet now, baby. My lonely days are gone. No, no. All right, let's see if we can do something. Let's do something. Let's get lit. All right, I'm gonna try to hit this. It's like kind of still early for me, okay? It's 10:30. We're gonna try to hit this. Let's see the tree emojis in the chat. Tree emojis in the chat. All right, we're gonna try this. Ready? I really love you, baby. I love what you got. Let's get together, we can and get hot. No more tomorrow, baby. Time is today. Girl, I can make you feel okay. No place for hurting, baby. No place to run. Ready? For the trigger for my love gun. Love gun. Man, I'm like sweating and shit now. Damn. All right, man. All right, man. I really love you, baby. Love what you got. Dude, music super peaked in the 80s, dude. Super peaked. Me and Alex should do a cover. I know. I know, man. Are you late for the I Was Made for Loving You? Should we hit that one? Bro, listen. I Was Made for Loving You is truly, entirely the absolute most goated song on this entire planet, okay? I just have to tell you that. In case you, like, didn't think so, now you know so. I Was Made for Loving You is the absolute GOAT song of the whole planet. I found a really good version, too, that I could, like, sing to properly. Let's see. It was back in 99, watching movies all the time. Oh, when I went away for doing my first crime. All right, Let's see if we can hit this one. Of me tonight, I wanna give it all to you. Yeah. The best song of their life. The best song. I get you, my baby. I can't get enough. That's high as shit, man. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. All right, enough of that. Man, I didn't know we were taking requests here. Are we shorting Soul? Oh, baby, we are super shorting Soul. All right. If we get here, we are shorting Soul. We are shorting Soul. Absolutely, we are shorting. Okay, hold on. Let me just... Every time I'm on stream, I get fucking distracted, man. Okay, if we get above here, this is bad news for the Bulls. Let me just say that. Let's see. Not yet. I'm not ready to short yet, but we'll see. We'll keep our eye on Soul. We'll keep our eyeballs on the pry balls. I don't know Bed of Roses. I don't know Bed of Roses. What is this song? I actually don't know this song. I should know this song. I'm a fucking wedding DJ. Tonight. Yo, hold on. Hold on. If you are an OG of the channel, You know, one of my favorite songs of all time is Urgent. Tomorrow, Foreigner is coming, not to my city, but a city 2 hours away, and I have nobody to go with. Should I just fuck it and go by myself? Oh my gosh, we're so doing Urgent. We are so doing Urgent. We're doing Urgent. If y'all know, y'all know. Should I go? Like, fuck it? I'm gonna give away, listen, I'm gonna give away 2 Nexus memberships, okay? 2 full months, because first of all, let me just make sure that you guys subscribe to Jet, because that was part of the stipulation here. You're not shy, you get around, you wanna fly, don't want your feet on the ground, you stay up, you won't come down, you wanna live, you wanna move to the sound, you got fire in your veins, burning on, but you don't feel the same. Your desire is insane. You can't stop, oh yeah, until you do it again. But sometimes I wonder, as I look in your eyes, maybe you're thinking of some other guy. But I know, yes, I know how to treat you right. That's why you call me in the middle of the night and say it's urgent. You're not shy, you get around, you wanna fly. You're as cold as ice, but you're willing to sacrifice our love. I would climb any mountain and sail across the stormy sea, yeah, yeah. If that's what it takes me, baby, to show how much you mean to me, yeah, yeah. Well, I know it must be the woman in you that brings out the man in me. I know I can't find myself. Dude, I should have fucking shorted it, bro. You even told me to not get distracted, and I fucking got distracted. You're not shy. You get around. You want to fly. They want your feet on the ground. You stay young. You won't come down. You want to live. You want to move to the sound. You got fire in your veins. 2 Nexus membership giveaways right now on YouTube. Come join us or die. Just kidding. Huh. You're not shy. You get around. Okay. We may have a continuation long here on Biddy, but I don't think I'm going to take it. I don't think I want to take it. Not at all. But I definitely want to take gold potentially. What are you guys saying? Cold as ice. Man, you want this. You want this membership. Listen, we got 140. We have 100 likes, so we're going to do one giveaway there. And holy smokes, if you didn't TP on that shit, like RIP to you. This is why you always pay yourself. Wow, that is a big move down. That is absolutely grim. That is absolutely holy smokes. Dude, market just got fucking cooked. Oh my days. Wow. Okay, hold on. Yeah, that is damn. Okay, this is good. Now we can get, yeah, anybody can win. Anybody can win. Hold on. Now we can look to get involved. That's good. That's good. That means gold is probably rising. Yeah, gold is rising. Okay. That's I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. Now we can get involved. Okay, good. Oh, that's a breaker now. Okay. Ooh. What do we do here? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Well, we had this drawn out before, so now we can talk about longs. See why we don't long? You see why if you have a range? Look, we very clearly have a range high and we have a range low. When you're in the premium section of the range, guys, do you long that? No, you don't. You do not long. If you just stick to this #1 rule, you will do a lot better in life. I promise you, in trading, okay? Don't long. Listen, this is my #1 rule when it comes to trading, or when it comes to ranges, which most of the time we're ranging. This is literally the #1 rule. Don't fucking long in premium and don't short in discount. It is as simple as that. Do not long in premium. Do not short in discount. If you can just don't long in premium and don't short in discount, you will be fine. I promise you, you will be fine. Just don't fucking long up here ever, and don't short down here ever, and you will be fine. That's it. And that works up here too. Don't long the breakouts. Don't short the breakdowns. Easy peasy. It's not that hard. But people are retarded, and people in crypto specifically are like so hype induced and FOMO induced and every other type of induced. And it's like a little bit ridiculous, you know? Like only in crypto do people, you know, feel FOMO and just take stupid trades and shit. This is not how real traders operate. Yeah, man, I fucking missed this. Okay, I'm never singing on stream again. I'm never trading on stream, singing on stream. Never. I miss everything, man. I miss everything all the time. You're very retarded based on my 1 minute. Well, then we need to stop. We need to make you not be retarded. Join the Nexus. I'm ready to serve you. No, it's not. You told me, bro. You told me. You told me. You know, you told me. You don't need to be sorry. You don't need to say you're bad. All right, let's do the giveaway. I want to get involved here though. I definitely want to get involved here. How would I have entered? I don't know if I would have entered, to be honest with you. I would have maybe entered here and put the stop loss here. It's not that big of a deal, to be honest. Like, if I wasn't using my super secret, top secret entry method, then it's a 2 risk reward. It's not that big of a deal. Let me see if I would have used my, or if I didn't use my super secret, top secret entry method. Let me see if I would have used it, what my entry would be. If I did use my super secret, top secret entry method, this would be my position. I would have gotten in right here. So it would have been, yeah, kind of the same thing. It would have been 1 candle earlier. It would have been like this, would have been like that. But I have it up on another screen. I'm looking, by the way, I'm looking for a super secret, top secret entry method on my second screen here. You're a good singer, but not here for that. I mean, some people are. Just saying. Some people are. Okay, let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Here's how we finna do it. We're gonna do one reaction one, and we're gonna do one non-reaction one. Okay, so on one of them, here's what I'm gonna drop a VIP code, not a VIP code, like a discount code. Let me show you. Hold on, I'll explain. We'll do a comment one, and we'll do a reaction one. Actually, you know what? Yeah, you know what? We'll do a reaction one. We'll do a non-reaction one. Okay, so coupons. Let's make a coupon code real quick. Okay. So I'm gonna give you guys a link. Okay, I'm gonna drop a link right now. This is full access, by the way. Full access for 1 month. You get. Okay. I'm gonna drop a link. It has to be this link. If it's not this link, it's not gonna work. Okay. And then I'm going to give you guys. So go here. Go to that link. Okay. Go to that link. And then I'm going to give you all capitals, a word that is the discount code. There's only one available. Okay. Only one of you are going to make it in here. Okay. You go here where it says have a coupon. You're going to click have a coupon. The coupon code that I tell you, all capitals. Okay. It's going to be here. Only one of you are going to get in. And then I'll engagement farm for the second one. Okay. Do we all understand what we're doing here? What was the dump? It was just the high of the range, broski. You're just at the high of the range. Nothing more, nothing less. That's it. Coming back to mitigate something. Potentially to continue higher. We'll have to wait and see. I don't really like that wick, to be honest with you. On USDT Dominance, I don't think that we needed to necessarily do that. But you never know, man. You never know. What's your username? You make your username. Whatever you want to make it. You can make it Christina Herafet. If you like. If that's what you like. If that's what tickles your fancy. You're not seeing the continuation higher? I mean, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We're going to find out relatively soon. No. It's not capital Chris. It's funny that it's actually a name, and it's a name that starts with C. I'm going to give you guys the word right now. It's all capitals. You know what? It's a name that starts with C, and it's all capitals. Let's see who gets it. Only one of you are going to get it. Let's see which one of you get it. Do we have an SMT right now? We have an SMT right now with Bitcoin and USDT. Let's see. Did anybody get it? No, nobody got it yet. It's okay. Let's try this. I'm down for that instead of a reaction, instead of me giving it to you. It's all capitals. Okay. It's all capitals. It's a name. You don't write it here, guys. You don't write it here. You go to the website and you input it. And I'll give you, it's 4 letters. So it's 4 letters. It's a name. It starts with C. And it's all capitals. Ah, somebody got it. Okay. All right, it was Cody. So whoever got it, congrats. My next clue was going to be he's the WWE champion. The worst one of all time. Congrats. That was fun. We should start doing that. It was Cody, man. It was Cody. C-O-D-Y. Cody. Whoever got that. Interesting. That's cool. It's pretty cool. I didn't think that you guys were going to get that, but man, shit. All right. Oh, damn. Okay, second giveaway. Do you guys want I'm gonna leave this one up to you guys. Do you want a full membership, 1 more full month, or do you want 2 interns? I'll give away either 2 interns or a full membership. It's up to you. The internships, just so that you guys are aware, okay? Just so that you're aware, the internship, you get access to everything for 1 week. Okay, it's not a month, it's 1 week. And you get access to module 1, module 2, and module 3 of the course. Right? The rest, smart money, ranges, execution, order flow, you do not get access to any of these. Okay? These 3, you get access to 1, 2, and 3. So I'll either do 2 interns or I'll do 1. Here's what I'll do. Let's let me end this poll. Let's make a new poll. And we will say full membership, 1 full membership, or 2 interns. Full interns. Let me know. I'm gonna go get water real quick and I'll be back, but let me know. 100 full memberships? Yeah, man. Cody Rhodes. Dude, Cody Rhodes. First of all, I don't really watch WWE like that, but I was watching this year because of the whole John Cena turning heel thing. And yeah, he sucks. He absolutely blows. Yeah, his shit sucks. Okay, so you guys want the full one. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna make a new code. I'll give you guys a clue. We'll figure it out. I don't know. Let me think. Okay, let me think. You know what? Let's do ChatGPT. Give me a riddle. Give me a riddle with the answer being 1 word. This is ChatGPT, okay? This is not me. ChatGOPT. And I know that he knows I'm unfaithful and it kills him. Why is this taking so fucking long? Okay, fuck that. That's taking too long. All right. I have one in my mind, okay? Listen to me. 1 person's going to win it only. Same link, okay? Same link. Same link. This is the full membership, okay? It's all capitals. It's the same thing. Are we ready to go? Tree emojis if we're ready to rock. Okay, I'm not engagement farming you like I was going to, but like the stream, tree emojis if we're ready to rock. Tree emoji equals we're ready to rock. This is the link. Let me send you the link. Go to this link. It has to be this link or it's not going to work. And only one of you are going to get it. And when you type it, it's all capitals, okay? And then I'm going to go right after. This could be your low, by the way. All right. Go to the link. Go to this. Where it says coupon, whatever. Have a coupon. And then there's your coupon code. Okay? I'm going to say it and I'm going to dip. Good luck. Thank you for watching the stream. One love. Good luck, Christina. I'll see you guys next time. This is the word. This is the answer, okay? It's one word. In. And I'm leaving right after. In the movie Mean Girls, Caddy Heron gets asked a question during the math thingamajig, okay? And she says the answer, and she goes, the limit does not blank. That blank is your word, all caps. The limit does not blank. Thank you guys for chilling with me. I will see you guys in the next one. Nexus, I'll see you guys in there. One love. Stay happy. Stay healthy. Stay wealthy.
Set my heart on fire.